ano to?
Ruin their cake.
Why are you doing that?
What the Guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, we will be playing Build to Survive. So, it's me, Blaze.
And it's me, Ate Jenny. And it's me, Beauty.
Welcome back
To Tribal.
So now we are
Laro na. 1, 2, 3, go. Laro na tayo, Team Bangers. Okay na yun. By the way, guys, very special shout out to Nigel because he's the best. He's so very good. Yes. Shout out to Nigel Mariano.
So now we will start by using plastics. So let's build a wall. So the entire purpose of this game is obviously to build
Something.
a security base for the calamities and
No, it's not
monsters.
calamity.
There's also a tsunami here.
Tsunami.
Tornado.
Can we build a mansion? Can we build our
Of course we can if there will be enough money for us to build and to purchase.
Ano yan? Di pag may monster, di ka pa tapos dyan.
Then we would just do this. We would
Build
just
up?
tower up. But there's some disadvantage on doing that.
Bakit? Why?
Number one, if there's a tornado there and without any walls, we won't be able to survive.
Okay. Let's build an Eiffel Tower.
So I'm
Yes.
I'm currently controlling.
Can you recreate that logo? Please.
Ang hirap naman ang pinapagawa mo. Kasimula pa lang natin, no? Malay mo tsunami agad.
Eddie, good luck.
Okay, so again, special mention to Nigel. Wala.
Hello.
Special mention to Nigel for connecting us. Hello, Freddy.
Oh my God.
Okay, so we are safe.
May nakalaro akong taga-Thailand. Hello, be! Bonang pa, di pa marunong mag-build up.
Hold on. I will power up just quick.
Go, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, so we won't get
Pwede
bored.
mag-build from up here.
No.
Pwede.
Okay, then let's
Huwag ka nabusan na siya ng English, guys. Oh my God!
okay guys. So let's see our Yes, we have.
Thank you so much for
we have earned
$35,000.
$35. So now let us remove our
Bahay.
disturbance to our construction site.
Workers.
So now Ate Jenny will control this.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank
there
you.
go.
Okay, I will do that. Let's fix this because he is so bad at this. He is so bad. Sorry, I'm not pro at doing cable.
So we will be saving up until we earn probably $500 for us to buy wood, any materials that can help us in.
Ay, sorry.
Sabi lang mo about it.
Grass for the
So our progress was supposed to be 5%. Now it's 2% because of what.
No, it's okay. You always have to start from the bottom. I'm so noob. I'm sorry. I'm so noob.
So we have to be participatively.
What the hell?
Dapat may mentality tayo dito.
Ano nangyari?
Don't worry. Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
So the monsters will be spawning in 20 seconds.
Tony!
Bakit tawa rin? Spawning.
Tony!
Ano ba spawn?
Spawning.
Ano ba tayo?
Hala, pwede tayo magtago dito. Sige.
Masisira pa rin yan ng
Hindi,
monster.
hindi nga.
Masisira pa rin yan ng monster.
Trust me.
Loko-loko kayo na try ko na gawin. Okay, so now control.
Hala, beware mo tao. Wait, tagalog. Let's go. Wait a minute. Okay, magawa tayo ng ano. Wait. Gagawin ko nga siya ng mukbang. So guys, yes, right there. Next is Beauty.
Okay, guys, before Miyuki controls this, I will fix everything. So since the skeleton's range is only about 25%,
Misinformation yung sinasabi niya.
okay, Miyuki will now control Wasp. Wasp nga? Why you move? Remove? Tagal! I was
Para siya naglalaro ng 2D oh. Hindi siya I only use vocal. Wait no kasi. Wala na.
ayaw ka, di ba? Okay, so ako na magkocontrol 6 no.
I don't know how to use PC though.
Anong hindi ganyan? One layer lang nga. Kapatasin mo.
Wala na tayo nagawa dito. Ba't ako tinatanong mo?
Ay, galit.
Okay, next. Swimming pool yan.
Ba't ako tinatanong mo?
Alam may gym. Pwede na tayong magpamit. Ikaw ba tayo with
Kailangan ng glass. Wala tayong glass.
ito nga. Mahal. Expensive. Yay! Mare-regret natin yan. Ano ba?
Okay, so our goal for today is to build the weirdest
Advanced.
construction ever.
Most secure.
No, the weirdest.
Secure base ever in life.
Yeah.
Be, pag binili mo na yan, be, ano na siya, infinite na. We? Tatanong ko.
Wala ka talaga question mark.
Question mark. We?
Hindi.
Bakit ang dami nating nagagamit? Hoy, ano yun? May set up ka na! May space! Mama, may pupo na!
It's mommy.
Mommy stops. Tingnan mo yung itsura ni Mommy! Ba't ganyan?
Don't worry.
I-drop mo siya, babe! I-drop mo siya.
Okay lang. Sandali lang.
Hala, babe, tinatap mo yung sarili mo with the ano eh. Ay, nasisira niya.
Haha.
Hindi ka na.
Okay guys, so this is our Eiffel Tower.
Yes. Glass iPhone.
So now we will buy a door.
Uy, ang dami mo ginagastos. Uy, bakit ganyan? Ano yan? Ano yan, babe? I promise we are so... I promise we are
This is
not...
called engineering structure.
Oh my God.
Edit pa po yun, be.
Maganda.
Yes.
No?
Wala, babe, mababaging ka wag babe.
Huwag na nga tayo Okay, so now we are done. So this is our constructural.
Okay, that's ano, be? Ano siya? Free art.
So now we will be touring. Our neighbors.
people's... Yes.
So since they are, also we can ask to join.
We are going to raid her house. Tapos i-delete natin lahat. Ay, Ay, wait lang.
Ba't na bahay niya kasi sa atin? But don't worry, may meaning yan.
May meaning. Castle? House talaga.
So let's
Wait, tingnan
start.
mo yung confetti niya.
Saan?
Saan? Tingnan mo confetti niya.
Yung confetti lights yan.
Hindi, lights na. Grabe ang artistic niya.
Tama eh.
Oh, may jacuzzi siya. Bakit katabi ng bed niya yung swimming pool niya?
Kaya,
Pagkagising niya, maliligo agad siya. Sa hurata! The architecture. Hala! Triple T. Let's go! Favorite namin si Tong Tong. Totoo! Meron siya ako sa Sky.
saan?
Saan? Hala! May tumiyok sa core!
Okay.
7!
Since I am a bacon, I will definitely... Okay, joke lang.
Labi, nakapasok siya. May gawa sa ano?
Tang sahor. Tang sahor. Tang sahor.
Gawa sa dirt yung bahay niya.
Okay, so all I can say is this house is very good and it's indestructible.
Yes, it's
So
ano.
wala na kami nagawa dito kundi magsalita. Ano ba yan?
Parang cafe, si Cappuccino Ballerina. Yes. Friends? Oo. Alam mo yung nakatago siguro doon. Baka nag-ano sila doon, may execution.
Kaya nga.
Ballerina Cappuccino.
So, now next we have
Rainrat Monster. Parang ice cream.
okay, has fountain.
Okay. Hala, save kayo. Oh my God. Hala, ano to? Hala, nag-i-date sila, B. Nag-i-date sila.
Dance
Oh my
party.
God.
So now we have a new mission. We are gonna ruin their game.
Hala, may angka.
He has voice chat. He has voice chat. Hold on. Let's open our voice chat.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Kevin.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Kenshin.
Malay mo magkapatid to sila.
Ano? No.
Hello.
We cannot hear you.
Hello.
What language do you speak?
Obviously English.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Is this Ballerina Cappuccino? I can hear you. Huh? Woo! We can't hear you. We can't hear you.
Okay guys, so I can
Hello.
say that this will be the most...
Why are you doing that?
Why are you doing that?
Hey, that's fun. Stop e-dating, bro.
Yeah.
Yung dreads mo hindi pantay.
Uy, visit kayo. Malay niyo magkapatid.
Mamahan ng dress, mamahan ng dress.
Malay niyo magkapatid.
Wow, si Ano daw?
Ano daw?
You sound like a kid. You're already dating.
Are you 7 years old?
Yeah. Okay guys, this is absolutely
Why are you
gone
guys
wrong.
matching?
Okay guys, so this video. Ano daw? Ano daw?
We cannot understand you.
We can understand you're too
You're
too
too-
loud. Oh my God!
Go, go, Power Rangers! Okay guys, we have one. Okay, so... Oh,
No.
Hold on. Let me speak. Okay, I'm very sorry for my friends acting like...
No.
We don't tolerate
Wait,
it.
we have a question. Sandali lang. We have a question. Are you e-dating?
Are you e-dating? Are you e-dating?
Hey, you sound like a kid.
She left.
Oh my God, e-dating in the big 2026 is crazy.
Try to face niya, babe.
Hello?
Hey, we're gonna follow you.
So we will stop. What the Sabi niya, get out of my base daw.
I don't want you in my base.
Your base is so ugly.
This
Uy,
one.
ba't kayo nagiging toxic na naman tayo?
Hey, why are you e-dating? You sound like you're still 5 years old. You're only 5 years old.
Why are you teaming up with him, okay? With them.
You sound like you're 7.
So now we will be continuing our video. So now, before we end our video, we have one goal. It's to build a house. So now we will make a new base. There we go. Then a parking. Okay guys, so this is the end of our video. Now we died, like I said a while ago. If we died, the video's over. So,
Oh, they left.
guys, we'll
Bye,
see
guys.